Amara chukuka na yo yo yo. Na me pele mozako na ba. Ngozi chuku soba ni yo do do. Kifa na me benando mo. Okay. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're well, I hope you're blessed, I hope you're living life. Today I'm bringing you a really fun video. I hope you enjoy it. So basically the video from the title is called Hidden Gems. Okay, so these are songs, okay, that you guys should know about, songs that I vibe to on a regular, and I will walk you through some of the songs and the reason why I think these songs are a hit. In this video we are talking about, I'll be showing you guys Flavour's song that I think you guys should pay attention to, and it will also give you a glimpse of the kind of songs that I listen to. Okay, so one of Flavour's song that I think you guys don't really know, especially if you are a Flavour, if you're a new fan of Flavour. If you're truly a Flavour fan, then you should know this song. Okay, so this song is called Nabania, and if you guys know Flavour's stage name is called Flavour Nabania, so it makes sense for you to know this song if you want to join the OG Flavour fan. Okay, so I'm gonna play for you. Olinga tawa misi tisia yefe na takwa yefe na banya owali fe na me ya ife ni negeme akona banya o imana akona banya ife ni negeme akona banya o ife ku gemechi ya me na banya aga na kwa ife mutu mo manya ine chuko lu na kide ko wa na you are the doctor. Yes, all right. Why did the father go back? God, they just be the check. Face to face, yes, you got the choice. Left for me, you don't have the choice. This is one. What can happen here? If any nigga man, what the girl now your jeep na what does it man? On my road, and I real. One day, yes, come on, that nigga go. We go able to know him. That time I go. Put out of Kawa. I beg Flavour. Do the thing where you sabi. Oh well, if any nigga man, okwana bania o. Imano okwana bania. If any nigga man, okwana bania o. Barakatam, baba, barakatam, baba. Hey, hey, come on, that's right. Nabania, if any nigga man, okwana bania o. The next song is called Someone Like You. I think this song is actually really good. It is a love song. It's called Someone Like You. I love this song so much. I love it so much. Like
she's crazy, no one else but you. Only you. Oh my baby boo. Oh you. When I make my hand, I swear I wanna spend the rest of my life with you. Since you came into my life, I've never been the same. Since you came into my life, I've never felt the same. You're so sweet, oh baby. You're so nice and lovely, oh yeah. I'll be missing, I'll be loving, always caring for someone like you. Oh yeah. I'll be missing, I'll be loving, always caring for someone like you.
the song is beautiful. It's beautiful. And listen, if you want to get some Valentine feeling going on for the weekend, this is the song for you. Okay, go and play it for your babe. All right, so the next song, the thing is when I was listening to this song when I was young, I wasn't grasping the lyrics. I was just vibing. But now, in hindsight, okay, I'm listening to this song and I'm thinking, hey, Like, it was last year, I promise you. I was playing this song and I was just paying attention to the lyrics and I was like, oh my god. Oh my god. And I went back and I watched the video again. I'm thinking, Flavour has been a bad boy from day. Flavour has been consistent in his bad boyness. Okay, this song was actually a big hit when the album came out. It was a big hit, but I think it still needs to be considered as one of top Flavour's song to this day. So have a listen and tell me what you think. Bemo, he's gonna take this babe to his house. He's gonna take this babe to his house. So he's gonna take this babe to his house, but you know, he also wants to know how she goes, where she goes, who she is, what her style is, like what the girl is on about. You get me? Because his mother told him that a good character is the beauty of a woman, you know. So he wants to know this babe. Wata biko bia kene soro mukaina wazia. Wata biko bia kene soro mukako wazia. Even sonye, even sonye, even sonye, sonye, sonye. Even wonye, sorry, sonye. Even tinye, even tinye, even tinye, tintinye. Don't ask me what he's saying, okay? Don't ask me, because just know that Flavour is being naughty. He's teasing them, okay? I'm not translating. So that is the song, okay? I think that song deserves all the love, because that flavor song is amazing. Okay, also, you guys know that how in Flavour's album, every of his album, he have this thing he does like a skit with his friends. There is one big one that was so popular back in the days, and it goes like, and I brought the up and I brought the wicked down. What's that? So so you need to know that one as well. So listen, so the next song that I think you guys need to pay attention to is called Sweet Potato. That is his Blessed album that was released in 2012, and I own a copy of this album, so it's pretty good. So I'm gonna play it for you, and I hope you enjoy it as much as I do. I'm a little baby, shaking your body. I like it when you're touching the sweetie tomato. I'm a little baby potato. I'm rockin' till dance your baby. I'm a little baby, shaking your body. I like it when you're touching the baby, shaking your body. Did you like that song? Did you like that song? Because I love it. The next song is in see, I think this whole album, right, is uplifted. This is the album that had Adama. This is the album that had a shower remix. This is the album that had Adekachi Code Oyinatum. So this album is full with back to back hits. But within the back to back hits, there are still songs that should be rated up there with these other three songs that I mentioned. And this song is called Uku, and it's featuring Storm Rex. So I'm going to play it for you, and you tell me if this song is actually a hidden gem, or does it get the love that it deserves. Let me know in the comments, okay? Today, not today, me I no come to jolly you. If I dey shake my body, oh my boy son, oh my boy son, I better control control. Me I come to tell you fair. If you ever find me, but I'm if I have some man, if I have some son, let me if any day. I can never cook an anna. So you see, that song is a hit, okay? That song is a hit. I think that song deserves all the love. It deserves all the love. But I also want to know, where is Storm Rex? Like, where is she? Because she is actually a good artist. She needs to come. She needs to make a comeback. She needs to make a comeback because, like, we need more Igbo female artists. We need more of them. The next song is called Kilimanjaro. I think that song deserves all the love as well. I love this song. As much as Flavour is mad, okay, and the guy knows that he himself is mad, but listen, Flavour also has some motivational, Flavour has some very powerful songs and very, I guess, feel good songs that make you feel good. It's my time to rise and shine. Somebody say it's your time to rise and shine. Somebody say are you feeling what I'm feeling? Are you feeling it? Hey. The next one is called Power to Win. Is similar kind of vibe. Is similar vibe, and it kind of like echoes the Champion song. I don't know which one was released first, but I think Power to Win was released first. But it's also the same vibe, okay? It's a motivational song, okay? It makes you feel good. It makes you want to go there and conquer the world. It makes you want to wake up in the morning and get your stuff done. So the next song is called Power to Win. But I'm faster, they are strong, but I'm stronger. I'm the best, so pick up my chest. My dream, my feet, and my strength. Give me the power to win. 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 So that's the song. The next song I really like. And I think it deserves all the love that it can get is called Oppressor. oppressor. Oh my gosh. Anyways, listen. Shout out to Master Crab, baby.
I know they like you all. I do my thing my own way. They all let me get my own lane. My life is better than all the people where they jealous me. They want to take away my sunshine. They don't want to make a drink without drop off. I'm from my body, bloody. That's why anyway me good, they show me love. I don't mind them. Baby, where they pium. Baby, don't they go. Johnny, we don't like him, baby. Another man go take your baby. Driver, where they go, wah. Suffering no go jump somebody. Forget where they chop the money. We so flow, I don't they blow. Every day, oppressor.
This is my favorite part of the song. Another song that I think that should get the love. I think this song is a personal song, okay? This song is saying Chinedu means like God leads me, and Flavour's real name is called Chinedu, and this song is named after him, and he's just talking about his life story, you know, like, yeah, and I relate to it, and I just think it's a really nice song, you know, you get me. He says it's not by his grace that he is where he is. It's because God loves him. It's because God loves him. Like God loves me. God sees me in his eyes. If he gives birth to a child in this world, his name will be called Chinedum, which is so interesting because my man has been giving birth to girls up and down, so he hasn't had a chance to actually name him son Chinedu. Is also a good song that doesn't get the love that it deserves. It doesn't get the love that it deserves, and it hurt my soul. It hurts my soul that this song is not appreciated like that, because this song is a 10-10. It's a 10-10. Pay attention. Hey! Oh my God! I'm done. I'm not doing again. I'm not doing again. I'm ending this video here because you see why that song needs to be rated. This song is called Jaye. Jaye. Flavour finished work in this song. That being said, I hope you enjoyed this video. There is so many songs of Flavour out there that should get the same love like Doings and Levels and Ashawo and Baby Nayoka gets love. And I think it's not fair. Songs like Jaye should be up there, up there, up there with all of them. But I don't hear that song. When they mention Flavour song, I don't know why Jaye is not there. I don't know why Jaye is not in the conversation. Need to do better. After watching this video and I don't see you and I don't hear you playing Jaye with so much vim, with so much appreciation, then you and I have a problem. You and I have a problem. So, after watching this video, if you're not going to take any song from this video, yes, if you're not going to take any song that I have mentioned in this video, take Jaye from me because Jaye is the song of the song. How is Jaye going to come up and you're going to sit down and not dance? Are you crazy? Are you out of your mind? Compose yourself. So what I'm trying to say to you, you get me, is go and add Jaye to your playlist now. If you don't take anything from this video, go and add Jaye to your playlist now. You get me, bruv? Please go and add Jaye to your playlist, okay? With that said, I hope you enjoyed this video and I will see you in my next one, okay? Bye.